Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing Bitcoin on a very routine basis. Did it yesterday, and so far so good, although looking like going into the weekend. Remember, the crypto markets are open 24/7, but going into the weekend, there's going to be some more testing that goes on, mainly the testing in regards to the pink line right there, which is that famous 50-period simple moving average. And from a big picture perspective, even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that 200 period, and you know that assuming you're bullish, but when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above. And so far so good. Yeah, the price temporarily broke below it, in the past, couple of days, but overall the price was able to bounce back above it, has pulled back a little bit, but point here being from the big picture, the price is still up above that area. So going into the weekend, that is definitely that key area of support that you want to see continue to hold strong as the weekend unfolds. Now, in the event the price cannot hold above that pink line there, the 200 period, I want to add in another area here of support just in case, and that next key level would be the previous breakup point right down there around 9,200, give or take. I mean, we're talking about $9,200, so give or take, 100 or so, but that would be the next key level of support in the event that pink line cannot hold, throughout the weekend. Zooming back in and talking about levels of resistance, key level of resistance right now is that purple line right there. So the little brother of the 200 period, you have the 50 period up there, and that'll be primary level of resistance going forward, and more so the shorter term. If the price can break through there, then it just goes back to the overall level that struggled a couple days ago up there right around 11,600. So yeah, still things are cooling off here a little bit, but it's not like the chart has collapsed or anything like that. Yeah, I get it, the price has pulled back, but again, when you scrunch things up here and look at things from the bigger picture ever since it bottomed out here in early February, you can see that the price is continuing to build higher bases and still has a chance at higher bases, because even if it goes down to that 9,200 level, that would still be a set of lows here. You'd have a set of lows there. You'd have that set. You picture these as stair steps, and the overall stair steps would still very clearly be headed in the upwards direction. So we'll see how it unfolds over the weekend, but ideally, again, stay up above that pink line, but we'll see if the bulls can get the job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.